Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oats juice. First, you'll want to soak 1 cup of rolled oats in about 2 cups of water for a minimum of 4 hours, or even overnight. This step is crucial for softening the oats. After soaking, drain the water completely and give the oats a good rinse under cold, running water. Then, transfer these rinsed oats into your blender with fresh water. Next, add about 3 to 4 cups of fresh water to the blender with your oats. Blend on high speed for approximately 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture looks smooth and creamy. You can also add a tablespoon of maple syrup or a few dates for sweetness. Once blended, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or a nut milk bag, pressing the pulp to get every last drop of delicious oats juice. Now for some fun with flavor. You can enhance your oats juice with a pinch of cinnamon, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, or even a 1/4 cup of fresh fruit like berries or a banana for a thicker, smoothie-like drink. Once prepared, pour your homemade oats juice into an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, and it will stay fresh and delicious for about 3 to 5 days. Oats juice is not only tasty, but also offers great benefits. It's a good source of dietary fiber, which supports healthy digestion and provides essential vitamins and minerals like B vitamins and iron. You can enjoy it chilled and plain, or use it as a versatile base for your favorite smoothies and shakes. Remember to give it a good shake before serving, as natural separation can occur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.